Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making oven baked chicken with Za'atar. So let's start baking. These are the ingredients for the oven baked chicken with Za'atar. You will need 6 pieces of quarter pieces of chicken, which I've just rinsed in cold water, some light olive oil, Za'atar blend, which you can find at any Middle Eastern supermarket, 300 grams of baby potatoes that I've just washed and sliced in half, 1 lemon, 1 cup of baby carrots, and some sea salt. And this is how your oven-baked chicken with Za'atar should look like. Serve it with some rice and potatoes and carrots and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!